If your team is manually exporting CSVs from Zendesk every Monday just to run a report, you are spending hours on a task that should take minutes. There are faster, smarter ways to connect Zendesk and Google Sheets, and this guide covers every one of them. Teams connect Zendesk to Google Sheets for 3 main reasons: building custom reports that blend Zendesk data with other tools, creating batches of tickets at once for campaigns or incidents, and archiving historical data for long-term analysis outside the main workflow. The simplest approach is also the oldest. Export a Zendesk view as a CSV file and open it in Google Sheets. No setup, no cost, no special permissions. It works perfectly for occasional one-off reports, though the data is a snapshot frozen at the moment you exported it. Google offers a free Zendesk Connector in the Workspace marketplace. It pulls ticket data directly into a sheet without any third-party accounts. For teams that need a native, direct bridge between the two platforms, this is a solid starting point for basic recurring imports. Instead of moving raw data into a spreadsheet and then trying to make sense of it, Eesel AI gives you the actual insights you need directly inside Zendesk. The reporting dashboard shows knowledge gaps, deflection rates, and ticket trends as they happen, not after you have spent an hour in Sheets. If you need to push data the other direction, from Google Sheets into Zendesk, Zapier is the most popular no-code option. You build a visual workflow that watches for new rows in a sheet and automatically creates a ticket in Zendesk. Team plans start at $69 a month. For teams with developers available, writing a custom Google Apps script that calls the Zendesk API directly gives you complete control. You can map any field, apply any business logic, and build a solution tailored exactly to your workflow, though you will need to maintain it as the API evolves. Eesel AI takes a smarter approach to ticket creation altogether. Instead of a spreadsheet trigger, you configure an AI agent to understand context and create, tag, and route tickets automatically. And before you turn it on, the simulation mode lets you preview exactly how it will handle real tickets. Here is what each tool costs in 2026. Zendesk plans run from $55 to $169 per agent per month. Google Workspace starts at $7 per user. And if you use Zapier for automation, add $69 to $99 per month on top of that. Getting started with Eesel AI takes minutes, not weeks. One click connects it to Zendesk. It then trains on your Google Docs, helps center articles, and pass tickets. You test it with the simulation engine, and when you are confident, you go live knowing exactly what to expect. The right choice depends on your team's needs. For occasional reports, manual CSV export is enough. For regular syncing, the Google Connector works well. For automated ticket creation at scale, Zapier or a custom script handles it. And if you want insights plus automation in one place, Eesel AI covers all of it. Stop spending time moving data between tools and start getting answers directly. Eesel AI connects to Zendesk in one click and is free to try. Head to eesel.ai to get started today. No credit card required.